Hi everyone, it's Heidi from flutterbyheidi.co.uk, back with another quick card for you, and this time it's using some beautiful new laser cut paper which is called Delightfully Detailed, and you get two designs. I've only got some of them just to show you here because this is my sample from On Stage. But what you get is you get a big 12 by 12 sheet, and then you get another sheet that has an overall floral pattern. Then you get another sheet that you can cut into these lovely panels here. And on the one side they're very vanilla, and they're whisper white on the other side. So you could obviously colour those whatever colour you wanted, but they coordinate fantastically well with these lovely note cards as well, which are very vanilla, and they're already coloured on the one side, and you get 20 cards 20 cards, and they are Blackberry Bliss and mint macaron and very vanilla colours, so they're already sort of colour washed like this, so you haven't got to do anything other than lay them on. So what I decided to do was coordinate these with some of these patterns and just create a very quick and simple card. So quite quickly, because of the number of sheets you're going to get in a pack of the DSP of these panels, you can very quickly create cards. But one of the things I wanted to show was how I attach it. This one you can see is very simple. Yeah, it's just some punch shapes to decorate. And the way I attach these is I use the fine red tape, which if you cut it carefully, when you trim it, they just fit down the edge. So you can just add a piece. Just be careful, as I've done there, not to add it too tightly, which I tend to do. So just lay it on quite gently. Now obviously you could also attach it by, you'll have seen me sort of dab some Tombow using a sponge. That would be another way that you could do this. So I'm just going to put a piece top and bottom as well. So having put that around, as I say, when you trim these, I can't remember what I trimmed them to, and I think it was 6 by 4, 3.5. So it's 3.5 inches by 5 inches. And if you get any overlap of your tape, all you need to do is just come in with your embossing buddy or a little bit of talc, just to kind of take any excess stickiness off. And having had no problems with my tape before, I'm just going to burnish that down a little bit, because of course, because I've got the video on, immediately every bit of tape becomes twice as difficult to lift up. So these are very, they're ever so lacy and pretty, but you could make, you know, a lot of cards very quickly using these. This tape will submit to my will. Probably doesn't help that it's just towards the end of a roll as well, so it always gets a little bit tricky. There we go. Last piece of red tape. Right. Okay. So all I'm going to do is line that up with the top edge to start off with. And then having lined that up, just press gently into place. There we go, like so. Then all we need to do is grab a little bit of some very vanilla cardstock. Which of course has disappeared. There we go. And a little bit of Blackberry Bliss So I'm still using my old Blackberry Bliss that I happen to have, and just pop in, stamp that. It's a beautiful rich colour, and that's the old style ink pad, but it's now available with the new style ink pad. And with this I'm going to come in and cut this one towards the top. You'll see that on my other card I've kind of trimmed it down, so I'm going to just pop that so that the birthday is towards the top part up there. Then our trusty post-it note, just attach like so, because what you're going to do then is feed that in from the bottom and just line up the points here, and that creates our shape. Punch a shape out of your contrast card. Don't forget to peel off the bit of post-it note off the back, because obviously that's still attached. And then all I do is pop that in the middle of your card, and you've got a layer all ready to go. Pop a dimensional or two on the back there, so just pop one on either end, and that obviously will stick through here and help to pin it down a little as well. And then all I need to do, this is the Nature's Poem Baker's Twine, which is also new in the catalogue. Just tie a little bow, and as I've shown before, I really just to fiddle about with it, kind of pulling those tails down as well. Then trim the excess away and just use a glue dot on the back there. So just peel that back and you'll find a little glue dot. And you can pop that at the bottom there. And there you have a very quick and easy, beautifully detailed set of birthday cards. Very quick, but all the colouring and hard work is done for you. All you've got to do is stick the frames down and away you go. Thanks for watching. It doesn't go much quicker than that. If you'd like any of the products that I've shown you today, pop along to my Stampin' Up shop, heidismith.stampinup.net, and you're looking for the delightfully detailed note cards and envelopes and the delightfully detailed laser cut specialty paper. Thanks for watching. Come back soon. Bye.